The starting lineup: pole position Raymond Janssen, second Clements Lambert, third Marcel Dukeman, fourth Alex Heesen, fifth Sandra Lambert, sixth Peter van Giersbergen, seventh Bernard Baker, eighth Jurien Medema, ninth Jeroen Borrie, 10th Klaas Vink, 11th Ed Tullman, 12th Toon Blives, 13th CHC Workman, 14th Roel Wagers, 15th Romano, 16th Michael Whalebore, 17th Jeroen de Jager, 18th Manuel Nieuwdorp, 19th Theo Hudipo, 20th Joris Karel Varsnickels, 21st Peter Nieuwdorp, 22nd Jan de Laat, 23rd Jacob Iminga, 24th Henk Batterman, 25th Theo Brinkman, 26th Fred Stocksken, 27th Gert-Jan Meeskops, 28th Michael Jups Scheerbacher, 29th Helmut Schopper, 30th Eridan Mann, 31st Henk Blockhaus, 32nd Harry Baumann, 33rd Chose Iminga, 34th Fred Buchel, 35th Mark T. Uwin.
Start we saw Jeroen pass. That looked like a good start. Let's look back. Back at Romano. And we see Toon driving slowly. Medema is 6th, 7th Jeroen de Jager, who has won 10 places. From 17th place on the grid, 8th CHC Workman, and 2nd 350cc rider, 9th Rule Vayers. The third 350cc rider, 10th Klaus Vink. As the first 250cc rider, 11th Ed Talman, 12th Romano Fokin. Is second 250cc rider, 13th Michael Rolleboer, 14th Joris Karl Faseneckels, and is the third 250cc rider. Round 2 it starts to rain again. At the end of round 2 Alex Huzzen comes through as leader. Marcel Dudman has overtaken Sandra Lambert and is now 4th overall. Jeroen de Jager doesn't like rain and drops back to 10th place. Ed Tileman starts to find his way and rides forward to climbs from place 11 to 9. Manuel Mueldorp overtakes the experienced Jacob Aminga and climbs to 16th place. Raymond Jansen has overtaken Clemens Lambert and climbs to second place with his fast Velocet. Back in the field, Fred Hupel overtakes Harry Baumann to take over 28th place. The fastest times are set. Raymond Jansen in the 500cc class, 2 minutes and 14.9 seconds. Marcel Dudman in the 350cc class, 2 minutes and 17.9 seconds. Romano Fokin in the 250cc class, 2 minutes and 26.9 seconds. Alex remains the leader with his 500cc Ducati. Sprint race result, the profit goes to Alex Hezen. Ducati 450. Second Raymond Jansen. Velocet Venom. Third Clemens Lambert. Ducati Mark III 450. Fourth Marcel Dudman. Ducati Sebring. And wins the 350cc class. Fifth Sandro Lambert. Mark III Ducati. Sixth Yuri Medema. BSA Gold Star. Seventh Sietzi Workman. Ducati 350 Sebring narrow crankcase second in the 350cc. 8th Roel Veyers. Ducati Veyers Racing third in the 350cc. 9th Jeroen de Jager. Ducati 450 RS. 10th Klaas Vink. Morini Finch. Winner 250cc. 11th Romano Breeding. Ducati Single. Second 250cc. 12th Joris Karl Fasseneckels. Ducati MK3. Third 250cc. 13th Michael Wallabor. Ducati 350. 14th Manuel Nieuwdorp. Ducati Diana. 15th Theo Hudapol. Velo Setting Mac. 16th Jacob Aminga. Ducati Mark III. 17th Peter Nieuwdorp. Ducati 350 Mark III Desmo. 18th Hank Batterman. Ducati 350. 19th Jan de Laat. Ducati Desmo, 20th Michael Jupstrobaca. Ducati 350, 21st Hank Blockhaus. Ducati Mark III, 22nd Theo Brinkman. Ducati Mark III, 23rd Ed Tileman. Norton International, 24th Helmut Schappa. Norton Megs, 25th Fred Buchel. Ducati 350, 26th Fred Stockskin. Aermacchi Kastelik, 27th Mart Thielwin. Ducati, 28th Gertjan Moskops. Ducati 350cc, 29th Harry Baumann. Ducati Mark III, 30th Ari de Man. Ducati 359 Desmo, 31st Toon Blige. Ducati 1-cylinder 350, 32nd Jeroen Bory. Bisa Gold Star.